Hey, I'm Oakland, and I'm here with Cody. We're going to be taste testing.
What are you trying first?
We're going to try the chipotle sauce.
Oh my god, damn it. 3, 2, 1. Done. Yeah, the pickle
Now
juice
the pickle juice.
Okay, so how much is in it?
There's like that much in it, in each cup.
Now we're going to have some cheese whiz.
Okay, now what are we going to have?
Barbecue sauce.
Oh no, this one's going to be bad.
Okay. Some poppy seed dressing. Now some hot sauce. And this?
Not that much at all.
3, 2, 1.
No, this is my worst one.
And now we're going to mix it all together in one.
Some pickle juice, like that much. Tastes disgusting. A little. Not that much.
No.
Oh my god.
My.
That's a bit. This is just gonna be disgusting. This is the worst drink ever. Oh, the hot sauce. I hate this part. Oh, that much? This is gonna be like a smoothie.
Barbecue sauce?
Why are you putting that much barbecue sauce in it?
A little.
Not that much.
No.
God, that sounded like a fart.
Now, mix it all up.
Now we're mixing it, and these are all the
I
ingredients.
hope this tastes good.
Pickle juice,
Chipotle,
chipotle,
cheese whiz,
cheese,
Frank's hot sauce.
Frank's hot sauce,
And barbecue sauce.
Barbecue sauce. It tastes very bad.
Come on.
Oh, good thing you gave me that milk.
I think I might.
Not that much.
Holy.
Oh, I can feel this. I don't want to do this
I
challenge.
feel like I'm going to throw. Just do it. Come on, Oaks.
Come on, you gotta finish it.
I'm gonna puke. Do we have to finish this whole thing?
Drink as much of it as you can.
Ugh. I'm ready to go to the bathroom.
But Cody's already drinking it. Go for it, Oaks.
You done?
Come on.
It's disgusting.
Cody's doing it.
Why did we even add this? Or this?
Because we wanted to.
Ugh.
Cody's doing it.
I will never taste that ever again. Oh my
It's your video.
Come on, Oaks. Do it.
I'm gonna puke at the end of this.
Whatever.
It looks disgusting too.
I don't know if I can do this.
How to finish it. Okay. Sit. Don't Cody, don't finish it.
I'm done.
Stop forever.
My
Do you have anything to say to the people?
No.
Tell them not to do that?
Yeah, exactly.
Turn around and say it to them.
Not to do that.
Yeah, for sure.